Hey everyone, let's do a quick comparison of the screen and sound of the HTC One and the BlackBerry Z30. So I'm going to go ahead and play this full HD definition video on the HTC One first. Full volumes on both, full brightness on both. Okay, now let's go ahead and see that on the Z30. Again, full brightness, full audio. So there you go. The richness of sound I think is better on the Z30. Obviously the 1080p display on the HTC One has got a more clear picture. You can clearly see that the HTC One looks a lot better. Z30 is a bit on the fuzzy side, but sound department I think the Z30 wins.